Hi guys, hello, hi crypto world, how are you? I'm good, what's up? I'm good too. How's the trading going on? I'm also bearish on the setup, you know. Yeah, let's see if we can get something today. Let me put a poll over here, USD. Hi, good afternoon, Shivam, how are you? Hi, Neil, good afternoon. Let's see the 11:30 candle, we have a closure below. If we can get a good fair value gap, let's see. I'm waiting for the zone to break and then again we'll sell today. Yeah, I'm also waiting for that. Let's see if we can get into the zone and we can have some good entry point over here. So then we can look for the sells. Today we have some major news also. I think we have NFP and this week went very well. For me it was like fine, okay. What's GPUSD doing? Let's see. GP is pumping. Might be we don't get any setup today in Euro. It's possible. No, NFP, it's probably expiry today, isn't it? Expiry of options. Okay, on almost we have. Oh, okay, we don't have any kind of news. Like we have red folder for the CAD, and we have some red folder for USD as well, like consumer sentiments. Um, and bank holiday for the New Zealand dollar. That's all. Inflation expectation and consumer sentiments. Let's see, it's at 8:30 p.m. So, because of the shutdown in US, NFP is cancelled. Okay, so I'm not sure because it's not written tentative here. Whenever this kind of things happen, like they used to put tentative. I don't know if they haven't put it in Forex Factory today. It was supposed to be half shutdown of the US government. I don't think so it's a full shutdown. Perhaps if coal and silver sector expires on Friday, it direct effects is seen on the currency. That's kind of true. Let's see what happens. Even if you see the Bitcoin, oh my God, the level we were discussing for the BTC, it touched that point. Like if you see on the daily time frame, it went all the way down to the previous like low of 2024's low somewhere liquidated that. That's crazy. I don't know how much it will fall more. Euro is the best to trade in these kind of market conditions. Like you can't beat Euro. But today it's not listed in Forex Factory about NFP. Yeah, it's not listed on NFP, but there are other news like the red folder consumer sentiments and inflammation expectations. But I don't think so. There's written some kind of tentative. So I feel that it might be there. The one that is on 8:30. SMT traders will be able to relate to what I say. 'In BTC, I got my biggest risk reward 100. So you were in the shorts for Bitcoin. 100% returns. You're printing more, huh? But I don't flex. That's good. I mean, sometimes it's good to be low key. 15 minutes is flipping. Let's see. If this 1 hour closure we have somewhere over here, we are good to go. We might see a good selling from here. Like something 17, 18. If this we can fill the half wick of this is almost 10 pips. So almost what I do here 5. कभी कभी चीजें दिखाई नहीं जाती because of government of India. No, that's cool. I mean, it's okay. It's good that we should not like show everything. Like the good part is that we should educate and take experience and learn from people instead of flexing it out, etc. Waiting for the 17 minutes candle closure. If we get a good candle closure in the 17 minutes, if this one up flip, then might not get a setup. But if we can get this, then let's see. Yeah, now like okay, wait. This one. We have I think in our setup we need a good closure within this range, no? Because it's above this one candle was above this range. So according to the our setup, like we need a closure here. So it's almost 27, 26. So we'll be entering in shorts by then. Okay. All right, on 15 minutes, right? So I've taken my entry right over here. 11 pips of stop loss would be there and 20 pips of TP. Like take it 19, like 19 something like that. So I'm in sell. Let me show the screenshot of that. All right. If you guys can't see this position clearly, you can just see in the Discord. I think Neil have posted in the EU playbook section, so you can just check it out. Bearish trend line is broken now, so it's time to buy. Okay. Hi Sana, how are you? I'm good. How are you? How's the trading going on? Posted its see previous candle had already touched. Exactly. Yeah, I just saw that on 15 minutes. So if you guys want to look at this position, yeah, it's already posted in Discord channel. The stop loss is on the highs. The TP would be around 19.8. You can just put it 19 pips also sometimes because the price just reverse back. But I'm expecting that today we can just wick fill at least half of this, 4 or 5 something. So let's see. But I don't know where my mind is running. I think you might be stressed because you have exams, I suppose. Or might you can take a little break, you know, from trading and things to get back better in it. And to be careful with the stop loss and etc. So, actually, like in today's case, I'm counting 10 a.m.'s high. Oh, okay, this one, getting it. If we would have entered on 5 minutes as well, so our entry would be something right over here. Then, like according to 5 minute time frame, this one candle. So it's supposed to be like this and then this on 5 minutes. Already in sell 1.17959, 1.17595. Yeah, you took. I think you took the entry on this Fevali gap 959 somewhere. I know here. Yep, right over here. Not before of 10 a.m. So yeah, sometimes we need to count it also. Yeah, I get that because if you consider this one, this is 9:45 scandal. So 9:45 it will end at 10. So that the 10 starting would be this and 10 would be closed at this 10:15. Let's see if we can get the target today. Even though we have some news as well. Fifteen minutes order block was formed, so took from there. Here, this one order block you're talking about. We are almost like 3% up like this week. Let's see. Have you read the charts? I have taken big decision in trading. No, I haven't like opened like the charts of anything like the commodity charts also haven't opened. Like I'll see and let you know. We'll talk about that. I think should we have a voice chat today or tomorrow? What do you guys say? Like today evening or tomorrow evening around 8 or 9 something. Hi ma'am, is trade on? Yes, yes, trade is on. It's already activated. Wait, I'm gonna let's cut this. All right then, let's have a voice chat today. You guys can join around like maybe 9. 9 would be good. 9 or 9:30 something like that. We guys can discuss things and that. We have 50% votes for the buy and 50% votes for the sell. People are telling you, ma'am, what should I tell you? I don't know, like we it's a tough question. You can say Sanya swear. Like I don't it's very weird like when people say ma'am like because it doesn't make sense. Because most of the time I'm same the age. Maybe the as I'm younger than you. Yeah, you can. Yeah, like you are very young, so exactly. Because sometimes most of the people are like of my age and we all are Gen Z, so it feels like, oh guys, I'm your age only, so why are you calling me mom? So it feels like but fine. So I let people whatever they want to call, like whatever they feel like. Dicey, yes, exactly. Like 50% of votes are for the up and 50% votes are for the sell, so might be a dicey situation today. But again, we have a news, so let's see. Let's hope for the best. Currencies are best to trade in this situation. Exactly. I mean, you won't be betrayed anytime with the currencies at all. So currencies are the most loyal thing you can trade. Even if the market condition is not good, still you can figure them out. Like Sana shared some levels on the Discord. Okay, let me see. Okay. Community. Okay, so your level is it's on 30 minutes. Open the chart on 30 minutes. So you're expecting it to fall 1.17850 below that. 1.17850. So you are saying that if this order block we can get the closure below this order block, we might see a fall down, right? I think Euro can give another pattern on a central area 50%. Let's see until we have a good closure or below at least this area I would expect. Let's see. Because we have a small fair value gap here and I just want it to be filled. But let's see the one hour closing. If the one hour closing is good, आज भी OBS fail. Now I'm not doing OBS. I'm just not using OBS at all. It's some kind of app that is Stream Labs. So I'm just using that without camera. So because every day I used to be, like take the problem of camera and then I was not able to stream properly because of that. So I was like, leave that thing and focus on streaming, the main part. I'm the only child, so I'm going to get all the property. Oh my god, profits. Yeah, but in a reversal, see, there could be chances of reversal too, but let's see if we can get some kind of, market structure. If we can get like a closing above right over here, then yeah, we can expect a reversal. But until the trend is intact, then we are good to go. And again, as you said, that below this range, this order block, if we can get the good closure below this range also, then also we might expect TP. Let's see. Hi, Sanya. Hello. How are you guys? Now I'm having one wish to God that I make a gold SL small. That's a tough wish. Sanya, use a box of previous demand just and see the reversal. But measure from close to open only. You can also use a bar pattern tool at 5 minutes recent demand. This one you're talking about, this one not a block. Maybe you can share on the Discord, then I can see the level that you're talking about, the reversal one. It's slow because of news. Exactly. I mean, that's the pattern that we have observed. Like, whenever we have the, news in NY session, we always see consolidation in the London session. I shared it in Discord. Okay. People are taking lightly to the MT5 removal, but today I'll tell you the reason. Yeah, let's discuss this thing like in the Discord. Mm, you should in okay, this one. It's on the 5 minutes. Okay, this one candle you're talking about. Like this. But this is the continuation, right? Let's see. I want it straight to fall down like that. Measure, not create zone. I don't know which kind of tool you're using. I'm using the box one because we want 99% of accuracy. How much? This zone is like 2 or 3 pips, 3, 4 pips. Today it was a Hindi and now my hands have stopped working. I hope it went well. I really don't know how to use that. Maybe you can just mark, and I've seen the photo that you have sent like in the Discord. You have marked this zone. But I don't know like what measurement you have done in that. Okay, so I have to use scale to measure what you're saying. I really don't understand. So if I measure from here, the current one to the previous one, it's almost around like 3.6 pips we are getting. This zone. I don't know which box you're talking about, right? This is rectangle. Where is this box? I'm really sorry. I don't have a box. We have a rectangle, this and that, circle, triangle, ellipse, polyline, curve. But I need only 99% of because of 1% I use my